Okay, a very good morning children. Children, in the previous lesson we discussed about profit and loss. What are the different formulae on profit, loss, profit percent, loss percent, then your the main formulae, how to find selling price and cost price when profit percent and the other is given. That means suppose when profit percent and CP give profit percent and SP given, how to find the CP. When loss percent and CP given, how to find SP. So these are the formulae which we have already discussed. If you remember those formulae, you can easily solve any problem on what? Profit and loss. Okay? Without using the unitary method. Because in unitary method also we can solve any problem on your profit, loss and discount. But it is bit time taking. Okay? So it will be better if you remember the formulae that we had discussed in the previous class. Today let us discuss about discount. Children, what is discount? So sometimes we go to the market when we during puja offer, okay, the shopkeeper generally gives some offer, discount, rebate, special discount, that is special rebate. Suppose you went to a shop and you asked him what is the cost of this dress. You saw a particular dress and you asked him what is the cost of this dress. There in a piece of paper the shopkeeper must have written there, you must have seen while purchasing dresses from the shop. In a piece of paper, the shopkeeper usually writes the list, price of the dress. Suppose that is called MP or LP, marked price. Suppose the cost of the dress, you see MP of the dress is say rupees 500. That means the dress is marked at rupees 500. Okay. Now, suppose the shopkeeper gives a special rebate or discount of say 20%. Okay. If the discount offered, you see, if the discount offered by the shopkeeper is say 20%, what does 20% mean? That means out of every 100 rupees, on every 100 rupees, discount amount is 20. Then only we say that the discount percent is 20. Okay. So if the shopkeeper gives a rebate or discount of 20%, okay, on purchasing the dress, then what will be the selling price? That means at what price you will be able to buy the dress. Let us find out. So if the shopkeeper is giving a discount of 20%, this is discount percent, not discount amount. So what is the discount amount you find out? It will be definitely 20% of the marked price. That is 20% of 500 you see. And 20% of 500 is how much? It is 20 by 100 into 500. So which is equal to 100 rupees you see. That means if the shopkeeper gives a discount of 20%, then he will give you 100 rupees discount, rebate. Okay. Now if he gives you 100 rupees discount, then at what price will the shopkeeper sell you the dress? So he will definitely sell the dress in an amount equal to 500 minus 100. Okay. That means he will give you the dress in 400 rupees. If you give him 400 rupees, he will give you the what? Dress. So that means here the selling price of the dress, you see, will become how much? It will be 500 minus 100, that is 400. So you see, this is the selling price. Okay, so how did we get the selling price? We subtracted what? The discount from the what? Marked price. So the first formula is, you see, selling price equal to MP minus discount. You see, MP minus discount is your selling price. Okay, if MP minus discount is selling price, you can find what will be the formula for MP. MP will be equal to selling price plus discount. Bring discount to the left hand side, you will get the marked price. Okay. Now, how to find, you see. So, if you want to find, you see, if you want to find what? MP, then MP will be equal to your MP will be equal to selling price plus discount, you see. Now, what will be the formula for discount percent? You see, children. Discount percent. How to calculate discount percent? As I have told you in profit and loss chapter, while discussing profit percent and loss percent, I said you must have remembered profit percent and loss percent, they are always calculated on which amount, on which price. They are calculated on the cost price. They are never calculated on the selling price. In a similar manner, the discount percent, it is always calculated on the marked price of the article. So what will be the formula? If it is calculated on the marked price, then discount percent will be definitely discount by MP into 100. You see, the formula for discount percent will be discount by MP into 100. Okay. Now if you are given the discount and MP, you can easily compute what will be the discount percent or how much discount, what percent discount is given by the shopkeeper, you can easily compute. Okay. Now next, so if discount percent is discount by MP into 100, then what will be discount, what will be the formula for discount, let us see. Now to find, you see, bring this one to the left hand side, here it is divided. If it comes to the left side, it will be multiplied. Then 100 is multiplied, again it will be divided if it comes to the left hand side. So what will be discount? You see, the formula for discount will be equal to, you see, it will be MP into discount percent, MP into discount percent by 100, you see. Discount, the formula for discount will be MP into discount percent by 100, okay. Now see, if discount is MP into discount percent by 100, here you see, here what is the formula for selling price? Selling price is market price minus discount. Now we can find another formula for selling price. What is the formula? Let us find out. Okay. See, what is the formula? So here is selling price. See, selling price equal to your MP minus what? MP minus discount. But look at. What is the formula for discount? Discount is equal to this much. So you put this value here in place of discount. So what will I write? MP minus MP into discount percent divided by 100. You see. Okay. Now let us simplify it further. Okay. Let us simplify this expression further. Now we can take MP as common because here MP means MP into 1. Take common MP. So what will remain? 1 minus D percent by 100. Okay. Now still we can simplify it further by taking LCM. You see, this is MP into, take the LCM, it will be 100. So 100 minus discount percent. You see. See children, this is a very important formula for selling price. Again it is another formula for selling price. So this formula we will use when? In which problem? In which type of problem we will use this formula? In a problem where mark price and discount percent are given. Suppose the discount percent and mark price are given in a particular problem. To find the selling price, you will use this formula directly. Okay. So this is the formula to calculate selling price. Okay. So these are some of the formulae on discount. So if you remembered all these formulae, you can do quickly. Otherwise, if you follow unitary method, you will take bit more time. That is the only difference in remembering the formula and without remembering the formula. I hope you understood whatever I discussed in the chapter profit, loss and discount. Okay, we will discuss problems later. Okay, with this all the things, the total thing on profit, loss and discount is over. There is another term known as GST. Children, you know, nowadays government is taking different, earlier it was taking different types of taxes from the people. Now there is a common tax, it is GST. You all know all these things. GST. What is the full form of GST? GST stands for Goods and Service Tax. GST stands for Goods and Service Tax. Now the government is taking GST, central as well as state. Central GST and state GST. Okay. So what are the GST percentage? Do you know? They are 0%, 5, on some article it is 0%, 5%, 12%, 18% and 20%. You see, the rate of GST are usually 0, 5, 8, 12. You see, percentage. It is in percentage. Okay. So you see, the rate of GST is your 0, 5, 12, 18 and 28. 0, 5, 8, 12%, 18% and 28%. See children. Now on different article the rate of GST is different. The rate of GST, Goods and Service Tax, as imposed by the central government, it varies from article to article. Okay. So on certain articles, there are some articles on which the government does not apply any, charge any GST, okay. But on different articles, the government, central government is charging different GST, and the rate of GST, you see, these are the rate. 5%, 8%, 12%, 18% and 28%. So we have to remember this GST rate, okay, and we will apply this thing while doing problems. Okay, the problem on profit, loss and discount we will discuss in another class separately. I hope you understood what I discussed on profit, loss, discount and GST. Okay, thank you.